Hello students, today we'll discuss the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So trigonometric ratios of some specific angles will be, so we know trigonometric ratios are total 6 ratios are there. So in that one, first one is sine, second one is cos. Suppose we are taking here angle A. So this is sine A, cos A. The next one is tan A. The next one sine reciprocal is cosecant A, and cos reciprocal is secant A, and tan reciprocal is cot A. So for the angles we are taking here, the first one is 0 degrees, next 30 degrees, next 45 degrees, next 60 degrees, next 90 degrees here. So for A, so we'll take here by shortcut method here to remember easily. So for this one, we have to do first, so we'll write all the whole numbers 0, 1, and 2, 3, 4 here. And we will divide with each number by 4 here. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and 4 by 4. And we will apply the square root for each and every number. Only for in this shortcut method. Okay. So now, so 0 by 4 is nothing but 0. So square root of 0 is equal to 0 will get here. So square root of 0 is nothing but 0 here. So which means sine 0 value will be 0 here. Next, 1 by 4 is nothing but square root of 1 divided by square root of 4. So 1 divided by 2 will get here. So sine 30 value will be 1 by 2 is the answer here. Next, 2 by 4 is 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Square root of 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 divided by square root 2 will get. So sine 45 value will be 1 divided by root 2 here. Next, root 3 by 4 can be written as square root 3 divided by 2 here. So numerator square root 3 divided by square root 4 is nothing but 2 here. So which means sine 60 is equal to square root 3 by 2 is the answer here. Next, sine 90 and 4 will get cancelled. Finally, we'll get 1. Square root of 1 is nothing but 1. So sine 90 value will be 1 here. So if you remember only these values, you will get easily the remaining values also. So for sine over, already we got here. Next, we will find out for cos. So for cos is nothing but for reverse order of sine you can write it. So sine last number is the cos have first number. So sine 90 is 1 means cos 0 will be 1. So last number is 1 here. Next number is root 3 by 2. And next number is 1 divided by root 2. And here 1 by 2 is there. The next number will be 0 is there here. Next, so sine and cos we got here. Next, tan will be, we know that tan is nothing but sine by cos here. So tan A is equal to sine A divided by cos A. Okay. So sine A by cos A means tan A is nothing but tan 0 is nothing but sine 0 by cos 0. So 0 by 1, 0 is nothing but 0 will get here. Next, for tan 30 is sine 30 by cos 30. So 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Both the denominators will get cancelled. 1 divided by root 3 will get here. Next, for tan 45, sine 45 by cos 45. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, both will get cancelled. We'll get 1. So tan 45 is equal to 1 here. Next, for tan 60 is sine 60 by cos 60. So here root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Only root 3 will get here. So for tan 90 will be, so sine 90 by cos 90. So sine 90 is 1, cos 90 will be 0. So 1 by 0, it won't be defined. So this is called as the not defined here. Tan 90 will be not defined. Next, so now we got here tan. Next one will be cosecant. So cosecant is nothing but reciprocal of sine here. So cosecant A is equal to 1 by sine. So 1 by sine is nothing but reciprocal of sine is nothing but cosecant here. So for cosecant here 0 is there. So reciprocal of 0. So actually 0 can be written as 0 by 1. Reciprocal of 0 will be 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means this value will be not defined. So cosecant 0 will be not defined here. Next, cosecant 30 is nothing but reciprocal of 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 will be 2 will get here. Next, cosecant 45 will be 1 by square root 2 is the sine 45. So reciprocal of 1 by root 2 will be square root 2 will get here. Next, cosecant 60 will be sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3 here. Next, cosecant 90. 1 reciprocal will be 1 only. So cosecant values we got here. The next one will be secant here. Secant is nothing but reciprocal of cos, or else reverse order of cosecant if you written also will get same answer here. So reverse order of cosecant means here first means this last number will get here. Next 2 by root 3 is there here. So 2 by root 3 will get here. This root 2 will get same as this. This 2 will get here. Here not defined is that means this one will get not defined here. Next for cot is nothing but reverse order of tan if you written also will get here. Reverse order of tan. Same as this for secant and we wrote here for cos. Same for cot also. Reverse of tan will be. So this is not defined. And next root 3 is there. And next 1 is there. And next 1 by root 3. And next here 0 is there. So this is the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So even previous video also already we discussed about the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Now we will discuss the next exercise, exercise 8.2, the first problem here. So first one they given evaluate the following sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60 here. So just we have to substitute the values in the given problem here. See first one they given. So sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60. We know that so sine 30 value will be 1 by 2 and sine 60 value will be root 3 by 2. And cos 30 value will be, we know that cos 30 will be root 3 by 2. Cos 60 will be 1 by 2. Okay. So all these values if you substitute here, we'll get here sine 60 value. So sine 60 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60. So sine 60 will be root 3 by 2 into cos 30 will be also root 3 by 2 plus sine 30 is 1 by 2 into cos 60 is also 1 by 2 here. So now we'll multiply here. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 will get divided by 2 into 2 is equal to 4 will get plus 1 into 1. 1 plus 2 into 2 will be 4 here. So LCM if you take 4 you will get. If you add the numerators 3 plus 1 which is nothing but 4 by 4 which is nothing but 1 will get here. So the value of sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60 is equal to 1 is the answer here. Next, the second one. Second one they given here. 2 tan 45 tan square 45 degrees, cos square 30 and sine square 60. First you can write down the all the values here. So we know that tan 45 will be 1 and cos 30 will be cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Next sine 60 is also root 3 by 2 here. All these values will substitute here. So in this one, 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. So 2 into, so tan 45 is 1. So tan square 45 is 1 square plus cos square 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and sin square 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square here. So now 1 square is 1, 2 into 1 is equal to 2 plus here plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. Both will get cancelled, 1 and will get 0. So which is nothing but 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 is the answer. Therefore, 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 is equal to 2 is the answer here. Okay. So next we'll discuss the third one. So here cos 45 secant 30 plus cosecant 30 they given. Here we know that cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 by square root 2 and secant 30 is equal to, we know secant is reciprocal of cos. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So secant 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. Next cosecant 30. So cosecant is reciprocal of sine. Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So cosecant 30 is equal to 2 will get here. So all the values if you substitute here. So cos 45 degrees divided by secant 30 plus cosecant 30 here. So cos 45 is 1 by root 2 divided by secant 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30 is 2 here. 2 is nothing but 2 divided by 1. So we'll take LCM here. 1 by root 2 divided by LCM of root 3 comma 1 will be root 3. If you multiply, do the cross multiplication. 1 into 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 root 3. So 1 into 2 is 2. Root 3 into 2 is 2 root 3. So we can be written as 1 by root 2 into reciprocal of the denominator function. Multiply into reciprocal of the denominator function. So this is nothing but root 3 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Next in the denominator here, 2 plus 2 root 3 is there. So 2 we can take common here. So after taking common here, so 1 into root 3 is root 3 divided by square root 2 into 2 we can take common here. 2 into, here we can get here 1 plus root 3. Okay. Now we will do rationalize the denominator. So 1 plus root 3 is there means. So both the sides will multiply with 1 minus root 3. So this will become 2 root 2 into 1 plus root 3. We are doing rationalization means rationalizing factor of 1 plus root 3 is 1 minus root 3. Okay. So 1 minus root 3 will multiply, divide here. So we'll get here. So numerator into numerator. So square root 3 into 1 minus square root 3 divided by next 2 root 2 into here 1 plus root 3 into 1 minus root 3. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So 1 plus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 will be 1 square minus root 3 whole square. Okay. So now root 3 into 1 is root 3 minus root 3 into root 3 will be root 3 whole square is nothing but 3 will be here. Next 2 root 2 into 1 square is 1 minus root 3 whole square will be 3 you will get here. So we'll get here root 3 minus 3 divided by 2 into root 2 into 1 minus root 3 will be minus 2 is the answer here. Now, so minus if you send to the numerator, minus of root 3 minus 3 divided by 2 into 2, 4 square root 2 you will get here. So now both the sides, numerator and denominator, multiply with root 2. Both numerator and denominator multiply with square root 2. So we'll get here. So minus if you send inside, so minus into plus is minus, minus root 3, minus into minus plus 3 you will get. So 3 minus square root 3 divided by 4 root 2 will get here. So we are multiplying with root 2 on the both the sides, numerator and denominator. So 3 minus root 3 into square root 2 divided by 4 root 2 into root 2. So root 2 into root 2 will be root 2 whole square will get here 2 here. So 4 to the 8. 3 minus root 3 into square root 2 divided by 6 is the answer here. This is the answer for cos 45 degrees divided by secant 30 plus cosecant 30 is equal to 3 minus root 3 into square root 2 divided by 6 is the answer. Okay. Next one. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 30 divided by secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45 degrees. So we know that sin 30 will be 1 by 2 and tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. Cosecant 60 is equal to cosecant 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cosecant 60 will be 2 divided by root 3 will get here. Next, secant 30. Secant 30. So, secant is reciprocal of cos. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and secant 30 will be 2 by root 3 and cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Comma, cot 45 will be is equal to 1 will get here. Okay, all the values you can substitute here. So we'll get here. So sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees whole divided by secant 30 degrees plus cos 60 degrees plus cot 45 degrees. We know sin 30 value will be 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1 minus cosecant 60 will be 2 divided by root 3 whole divided by secant 30. Secant 30 will be 2 divided by root 3 plus cos 60 will be 1 by 2 my plus cot 45 will be 1 will get here. So now if we'll take LCM here, so here nothing is there means 1 is there. So LCM of 2 comma 1 comma root 3. So LCM will be 2 root 3 will get here. So here 2 is there means 2 into root 3. Root 3 means here root 3 plus here 1 is there. 1 into 2 root 3 is 2 root 3 minus only root 3 is there means you have to multiply with 2 here. So 2 to the 4 whole divided by even here also. So we'll get LCM will be 2 root 3. Okay. So 2 root 3 means root 3 into 2 is 2 root 3. So 2 into 2 will be 4 plus 2 into root 3. Root 3 means so 1 into root 3 will be root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 3 will be 2 root 3 here. So we know, so this 2 root 3, 2 root 3 will get cancelled. The remaining things it will be, so this will be root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 divided by your denominator 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. So if you add the like terms, root 3 plus 2 root 3, 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3, 3 root 3 here. So denominator irrational number is there, means so we have to do rationalize the denominator. So rationalize the denominator is equal to 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 3 root 3 into. So rationalization of the denominator will be 4 minus 3 root 3 divided by 4 minus 3 root 3. So we'll get here. So 3 root 3 minus 4 is there. Here 4 minus 3 root 3 is there. Means you can take minus here. It will be 4 minus 3 root 3 into here also 4 minus 3 root 3 whole divided by a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So a square will be 4 square minus b square will be 3 root 3 whole square. So here minus into a minus b into a minus b. A minus b whole square is nothing but a square. A square means 4 square plus b square. So 3 root 3 whole square minus 2ab. 2 into 4 into 3 root 3 whole divided by here a square minus b square here. So 4 square is 16 minus 3 root 3 whole square. So 3 square is 9 into root 3 whole square will be 3 will get here, which is equal to minus of 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9 into root 3 whole square will be 3 minus 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24 root 3 whole divided by 16 minus 9 3s are is 27 here is equal to here 16 minus of 16 plus 9 3s are 27 minus 24 root 3 whole divided by 16 minus 27. So 16 minus 27 will be 11. So minus 11 will be. So this minus and minus will get cancelled. 16 plus 27. So 2 plus 1, 3. 27, 37, 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11 is the answer for the problem here. Okay. Next, fifth one. So fifth one here. So we know that cos 60 we know. So cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 and secant 30 is equal to reciprocal of cos means cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Secant 30 will be 2 by root 3. Next tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 here. Next sin 30. Sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 and cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. So all the values will substitute here. We'll get here. So what is the given here? 5 into cos square 60 degrees plus 4 into secant square 30 degrees minus tan square 45 degrees whole divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 degrees. Here 5 into cos square 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos square 60 is 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into secant square 30. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 into whole square minus tan square 45. So tan 45 is 1. Tan square 45 also 1 square divided by sine square 30. So sine square 30 will be sine 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square 30. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square here, so which is equal to 5 into 1 by 2 whole square will be 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 by root 3 whole square. 2 square will be 4 divided by root 3 whole square will be 3 only minus 1 divided by here. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 whole square. So root 3 whole square will be 3 divided by 2 square will be 4 here. Okay, is equal to, so 5 into 1 by 4 will be 5 by 4 plus 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16 divided by 3 minus 1 whole divided by here. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So LCM is 4. So numerator we will add directly 1 plus 3. So which is equal to, so LCM of the 4 comma 3 will be 12. So 4 3s are 12 means 5 3s are 15 plus 3 4s are 12 means 16 4s are 64 minus, so nothing is there means 1 1 12s are 12 whole divided by 1 plus 3 4 by 4. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled here. So now if we'll add here numerator, or else here 15 minus 12 will be 3. 64 plus 3 will be 67 divided by 12 is the answer for this problem here. So 5 cos square 60 degrees plus 4 secant square 30 degrees minus tan square 45 degrees whole divided by sine square 30 degrees plus cos square 60 degrees is equal to 67 divided by 12 is the answer here.